Apollo Twin users, have you ever pressed play and it sounds like this? Or you're getting no sound coming through your mic? I've had mine for almost 6 years, and every time I power down lately, it stops working and I need to do these troubleshooting things. For you, first thing you can try, if it's your microphone not getting signal, just try the other input. That sometimes just works. If that doesn't work, or it's your monitors that are not getting sound, before anything, just restart your computer. Start it over. Still nada, it's time to do a factory reset. I'll show you how. Step 1, power down and unplug everything. Plug just the power back in. Then you're gonna hold preamp, low cut, main knob, and polarity. And then you should see blinking when you let go. Turn it back off, plug it all back in. If that still doesn't work, I know it sounds crazy, but do it one more time. Another thing it could be is an issue with your internal clock. It might be set wrong, and then we definitely want to fix that, but even if it's correct, we're gonna intentionally set it wrong and then set it right again. Open up your console, your clock is down here. Let's set it to SB diff. Ooh, she doesn't like that. Set it back to internal and you should be good.